Welcome to the YouTube channel Academic Mind. Extinct Friends Part 2 Comprehension and Vocabulary.
Activity 7, page number 36. The following is a documentary telecast in one of the children's television programs. Read it and answer the questions. Dinosaurs are a popular topic when we discuss the prehistoric era. Today let's unearth more mysteries of the lesser known era. Have you heard of any prehistoric mammals? If not, you would surely love to see Megatherium, an elephant-sized ground sloth. Look at this life-size replica of the Megatherium which greets visitors at the Sloth Sanctuary in Costa Rica. Imagine that an elephant-sized hairy animal with giant claws ambling through the landscape, looking for trees it could sit in front of and slowly chew the leaves. Now let's discuss about the first paragraph. As you all know, dinosaurs are extinct animals. In the same way, Megatherium is too an extinct animal. When we talk about the size of a Megatherium, it is said that Megatherium is similar to the size of an elephant. Where can you see a Megatherium? You can see a Megatherium at the Sloth Sanctuary in Costa Rica. Is it a real Megatherium? No, it is a replica. What do you mean by replica? Replica is an exact copy of something. This extinct herbivore stood 7 meters tall and weighed 7 tons. There are many views in the scientific world about the disappearance of this creature. One of them is that they disappeared as a result of fast changes in the climate. Another is that these sloths had been hunted to extinction by the carnivores. Megatherium is an animal who feeds on leaves. The animal who feeds on leaves is called a herbivore. These animals disappeared from the world due to 2 reasons. Number 1, fast changes of climate. Number 2, hunted by the meat eaters or carnivores. Now let's look at an extinct carnivorous sea creature. Ammonites were a group of shelled sea creatures that mysteriously disappeared at the same time as the dinosaurs. Ammonites were invertebrates, creatures without a backbone. Instead, they had a very supportive shell. Ammonites grew as big as 1 meter in diameter. They probably lived in warm, shallow tropical areas of the ocean. Their diet consisted of small fish. Ammonites were popular on the menus of larger carnivorous marine creatures, but they would either have had to pull them out from the shell or have had jaws powerful enough to crush them. Let's talk about ammonites. What type of diet did they have? They were carnivores. They ate small fish. They lived in the ocean. Therefore, we say that ammonites are sea animals or marine creatures. Ammonites were invertebrates. Invertebrates are the animals without backbone. How did ammonites protect themselves from predators? They had supportive shells. Let's read the 3rd paragraph. Do you know that Sri Lanka is one of the best sources of prehistoric studies in South Asia? Over 180 prehistoric sites have been found in Sri Lanka, including undisturbed human habitats. The caves called Batadobalena, a site near Kuruvita in Ratnapura,
Belilena in Kitulgala, Pahiyangala in Bulat Sinhala and Aligala, a site near Sikiriya, provide such evidence. The excavations are still going on with the involvement of many archaeologists. Now we have come to the end of today's segment. Hope you would read more on the prehistoric era. There are many prehistorical sites in Sri Lanka where excavations are done. What do you mean by excavation? Excavations are done by archaeologists making hole or channel by digging the earth for searching prehistoric things. Archaeologist is the person who studies human history or prehistoric history. Let's fill the grid with the details of Megatherium. What is the diet type of this animal? It's a herbivore. What is its diet? It eats only leaves of the trees. Habitat. Habitat is the place where animals live. In the passage, it is not given an exact place where Megatherium lived. But we can see a replica of a Megatherium at the Sloth Sanctuary in Costa Rica. What about the size of this animal? It is an elephant-sized animal, 7 meters tall and 7 tons in weight. The physical features. It's a hairy animal and has giant claws. What were the threats to their lives? The climatic changes, and they were hunted by the carnivores. In the same way, you can find the details of ammonites. If we know these basic features of any animal, you can describe about that animal with few sentences. Let's do activity 6 in page number 35. Look at the pictures and try to find the suitable word from the list given. Picture A. It shows you a fossil of a fish. Fossil is the remains of a prehistoric animal. Picture B shows you a valley. It's a low area of land between hills or mountains. Picture C shows you 3 animals. They are mammals. Mammals are the animals who feed on mother's milk. Picture D shows you a dinosaur, an extinct animal. Picture E shows you jaw of an animal. The upper or the lower bony structures in vertebrates, the mouth, which contains teeth. Picture F shows you canine tooth of a carnivorous animal. Picture G indicates invertebrate, the animals without backbone. Picture H shows you claws. They are curved, pointed, horny nails. Picture I skeleton, framework of the body of an animal. Picture J cave. Click the link in the description box to do the quick test. Like, comment, share the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel Academic Mind. Enjoy learning with us. Have a good day.